Hello friends, welcome to the session on finding and removing duplicate values from Excel. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon to get the updates on the latest video. So let's get started. So let's select the column where you want to find the duplicate values. In this case, I'm selecting column C where I have placed some duplicate values. So selecting the column, you just need to go to Home tab and then look for this conditional formatting. Click on this and you will find an option which says that highlight cell rules. So in this, you just need to go to the duplicate values and click on this. You can see all the duplicate values has been colored with light red. You can also change the color here, but at this point of time, I am not modifying this. So this is the way where you can find the duplicate values. Also, if you want to find a duplicate value throughout the table, you just need to select this corner where it will select all the values in the sheet and again perform the same thing where navigating to conditional formatting, going to the highlight cell rules and duplicate values. So if you see over here, you can find this giving you the entire duplicate values. So these are the duplicate values present in this column. These are the duplicate values present in this column. And these are the duplicate values present in this column. Also, it's giving us the entire duplicate value throughout the cells. You can see row number 13 and 14 is duplicate. So now we'll see how we can remove the duplicate. Again, do the same thing. Select the column, move to the data tab here, and under the data tab we have an option called remove duplicates. So click on this duplicate and it will ask you either you want to remove the duplicate for this particular column or this entire table. So if I select this, continue with the current selection, it will only delete the duplicate values from this column. So let me show you. So you can see now all 8 duplicate values has been removed and 5 unique values are remain. But I'm just reverting this back and trying to show you how you can find a duplicate value into the table and then you can remove it. So again, you just need to select the entire table or any of the column, but in this case we'll select the option expand the selection and remove duplicate. So this will basically check the duplicate in the entire table and based on the duplicate value it will remove. So in our case this should delete row number 14 as we seen earlier. So let me show you. So here we can see that duplicate value has been removed. So that's all for this session. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.